the healing power of nature, enhancing health and well-being. Outdoors. Greetings, my wonderful viewers. Today, we're diving into a topic that celebrates the beauty of nature and its remarkable impact on our health and well-being. Join us as we explore how spending time in the great outdoors can lead to stronger physical and mental well-being. Nature isn't just a backdrop. It's a transformative force that we can harness to elevate our lives. The connection between nature and well-being. Did you know that spending time in nature has been scientifically proven to enhance our health and well-being? Whether it's a leisurely walk in the park, a hike in the woods, or simply enjoying the calming presence of green spaces, being outdoors offers a plethora of benefits. From reduced stress and anxiety to improved mood and creativity, nature has a way of rejuvenating our bodies and minds. Physical health and outdoor exploration. Nature doesn't just soothe the soul, it also nurtures our physical health. Engaging in outdoor activities like hiking, biking, or even gardening provides a fun and engaging way to stay active. The fresh air, sunlight, and natural surroundings create an ideal environment for exercise that doesn't feel like a chore. So, whether you're taking a stroll along a scenic trail or practicing yoga in the park, you're giving your body a gift of health, mental restoration, and stress relief. In the fast-paced world we live in, finding moments of tranquility can be a challenge. Nature acts as a sanctuary where we can unplug, unwind, and recharge. The sights, sounds, and scents of nature have a calming effect on our nervous system, helping to reduce stress and promote relaxation. So, the next time you're feeling overwhelmed, consider seeking solace in the embrace of nature. Boosting immunity and vitality. Believe it or not, spending time outdoors can give your immune system a boost. The exposure to natural elements and fresh air helps stimulate the body's defense mechanisms, making you more resilient to illness. Plus, the vitamin D you soak up from the sun's rays contributes to bone health and overall vitality, connecting with the environment. Beyond the personal benefits, connecting with nature fosters a sense of responsibility and environmental awareness. When we immerse ourselves in natural beauty, we're more likely to appreciate and protect the world around us. So, each time you step outside, you're not only enhancing your well-being, but also becoming a steward of our planet. And there you have it, my fellow nature enthusiasts, a journey through the remarkable impact of nature on our health and well-being. Whether you're gazing at a breathtaking sunset, feeling the grass beneath your feet, or simply breathing in the fresh air, remember that nature has a profound gift to offer. So, let's make it a priority to step outside, embrace the great outdoors, and allow its healing embrace to enrich our lives. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts in the comments below. I will always read and respond to you personally. Until next time, may you find peace and vitality in the embrace of nature. Take care.